These guys are charging $100 for a piece of cheap foam. So I bought 30 of the most popular pillows on the market, a toddler mattress, grabbed an electric carving knife, and decided to show everyone why we all wake up feeling like trash. Spoiler alert, nothing went according to plan. Big brands love selling you a polished success story. I'm showing you the messy reality. I'm Alex, and I'm building a sleep engineering system that factories literally refuse to manufacture. The data shows that 70% of people sleep on their side, and that's exactly why your body aches in the morning. Why? Because on a standard pillow, your neck is just hanging in mid-air, and the weight of your head crushes your shoulder. That's not marketing, that's pure biomechanics. I tested everything. Thin pillows, your head bottoms out against the mattress. Soft cotton candy foam, your face starts sweating after 10 minutes. The market gives you either a rock-hard brick or useless mush. Zero balance. So I had to do it myself. I was literally cutting foam on my floor until I found the engineering fix. A pillow physically needs to be lower for back sleeping and higher for side sleeping. I built a 3-layer system with different densities, set 2 specific heights, 2.8 and 4.7 inches, and cut a pass-through tunnel so your arm never goes numb again. That's how prototype number 7 was born. I sent the 3D model to production feeling 100% sure with hacked comfort. I gave the first real samples to my friends and waited for the rave reviews. But 3 days later, they brought them back saying their necks were in absolute agony. Is this the end of the project, or just a massive fail before the breakthrough? I bet $1 most people would have quit right here. Hit follow to see exactly what went wrong and how I fixed it in the next episode.